So what I always recommend is to sort out your bookmarks, to do it somehow neatly, organize your bookmarks, whatever browser you are using. It's always good to have, the bookmark bar, something like this with the folders. So then you can go and have, let's say, applications, and then you can access them quickly. So they are not on one pile, but you have some good discipline and organization. I think this is quite I'm using, for example, for the AI sites, I have one folder for Power BI reports. I have another one that are also organized here. I think for SharePoint sites, for example, that I'm accessing quite frequently. I think this is kind of a common knowledge, but just in case, I will just show to you, or I will show you one feature that I discovered recently. But before that, I think my Chrome is actually set up in Czech language. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna access the Perplexity because I can't quite remember how to change it. I will ask Perplexity how to do it. Yeah, and I have step-by-step process how I can change the language in my web browser. So I can go here and I do settings. It's in Czech, but languages, and then I just select English and do restart. And now now my web browser is in English, which is good so that you can follow bookmarks, bookmark manager. And I can create a new folder, which I will call test. And then I will create the subfolder for subfolder. And you can see that it appeared here, right? Now, you probably know that if you click this star or whatever it is, it will just add the current page to your bookmarks. But what I discovered recently, let's say I just want to have a list of my sites that I want to read. So one would be Guardian. What I can also do is to drag it and drop it to this subfolder actually. Now let's do another one, which is CNN. Just put it in this subfolder as well. I did not drop it correctly, but I can move it like this to the subfolder. So now both of these sites are here. And then let's see BBC. That would be the last one. Right. Now you can do the bookmark manager that I was showing to you. To, let's say, rearrange them, right? You want Guardians to be the first, the BBC to be the second, so you can drag and drop them, so then they appear like that in that order. But you don't need to do the bookmark manager like this. You can also go from here, and you can drag them and drop them over like this as well. So it also works. So this is how you can, by dragging and dropping, adding some sites to your bookmark bar, and how you can arrange it so then you can access it quickly. So that's my recommendation. Really, if you sort out your bookmarks, you will become much more productive. Definitely. Yeah, I'll delete this one.